Have you ever stopped to wonder, why does some money seem to just flow into certain people's lives effortlessly? The art of earning money, it's an intriguing concept, isn't it? It's not simply about the transaction of trading your time for a paycheck. No, it's much more nuanced than that. Earning money is both an art and a science. It's a delicate balance of understanding the value of your skills, identifying opportunities, and making strategic decisions. In this vast world of ours, you'll find that people have devised various strategies and methods to earn money. Some have chosen traditional paths, climbing the corporate ladder or starting their own businesses. Others, however, have taken less conventional routes. They've ventured into the realm of commercial litigation funding, where they advance money to businesses involved in lawsuits, creating a multi-billion-dollar industry. Or they've positioned themselves strategically in political landscapes, gathering endorsements and rallying support, leveraging their influence for financial gain. Earning money is not solely about working hard, although that is a crucial aspect. It's also about working smart. It's about making your money work for you. It's about understanding the ebb and flow of the financial tides and riding the waves to their full potential. It's about recognizing that the money game is a marathon, not a sprint, and the finish line can often be a moving target. In essence, the art of earning money is about more than just accumulating wealth. It's about creating opportunities, forging paths, and making strategic decisions. It's about understanding the value of your time and your skills, and leveraging them to your advantage. It's about finding a balance between risk and reward, between the known and the unknown. So, let's dive a bit deeper into the art and science of earning money. So, what are the fundamentals that govern how money is earned? At its core, earning money is all about the simple principle of exchange. You provide something of value, be it a product, a service, or even your time, and in return, you receive money. It's a transaction as old as civilization itself, but the ways in which we can engage in this exchange have evolved over time. Traditionally, most people earn money through employment. They offer their skills and time to an employer, and in return, they receive a salary or wage. This is the most straightforward way to earn money, but it's far from the only one. The rise of the digital age has introduced a myriad of new ways to earn money, from online freelancing to launching your own e-commerce business. But beyond employment and entrepreneurship, there's a third way to earn money: investments. Investing involves putting your money to work for you. You might buy shares in a company, purchase real estate to rent out, or even lend your money to others in exchange for interest. The goal is to generate a return on your investment over time. And then there's the concept of passive income. Unlike active income, where you're directly trading your time for money, passive income involves setting up a source of revenue that requires little to no ongoing effort to maintain. This could be anything from royalties from a book you've written, to dividends from stocks you own, to rent from a property you lease. That's the basic idea, but how do we optimize this process? Let's find out. How can one maximize their earnings without necessarily increasing the amount of work they do? This question often pops up in the minds of those eager to optimize their earning process. The answer lies in the concept of leverage. Leverage is like a secret weapon in the world of finance. It's the strategy of using borrowed resources to potentially increase your return on investment. For instance, real estate investors often use mortgage loans to purchase properties they wouldn't otherwise be able to afford. By paying off the loan over time with rental income, they're able to make a profit without putting up all the capital themselves. Similarly, in the corporate world, companies may leverage their assets to secure loans for expansion, betting on the future growth of the company to pay off the debt. It's all about using what you have to get more of what you want. But leverage isn't just about money, it's also about time and skills. That's where continuous learning comes in. The world is constantly evolving, and those who don't adapt risk being left behind. By continuously learning and improving your skills, you're essentially leveraging your time to increase your earning potential. For instance, you might spend a few hours a week learning about digital marketing. As your skills improve, you might be able to land a higher-paying job or start a side hustle that brings in extra income. And let's not forget about the power of networking and relationships. It's often said that your network is your net worth. By building relationships with people in your industry or related fields, you're creating opportunities for collaborations, partnerships, and job opportunities that might not have been available otherwise. Remember, opportunities often come from the most unexpected places, so never underestimate the value of a good conversation. But earning is just one side of the coin. What about the other side? How does the way we manage our money influence our overall financial health? This question might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Let's break it down. First off, we can't ignore the importance of budgeting and financial planning. Imagine you're a captain sailing on the high seas of finances. Without a map or compass, you're likely to end up adrift, or worse, shipwrecked. With a well-laid plan, you can navigate through the choppiest of financial waters and land safely on the shores of financial security. Budgeting helps us keep track of our income and expenses, making sure we're not spending more than we earn. It also allows us to allocate funds for emergencies and future goals. Now, let's talk about savings and investments. They're like the seeds you sow today for a fruitful harvest tomorrow. Saving allows us to build a safety net for unexpected expenses, while investing gives our money the potential to grow. It's not just about stashing money under the mattress. It's about putting your money to work in stocks, bonds, real estate, or any other investment vehicle that suits your risk tolerance and financial goals. And speaking of growth, let's delve into the magical world of compound interest. It's not just a dry financial concept, it's a powerful tool that can help accelerate wealth creation. Compound interest is the interest you earn on your initial investment, plus any interest previously earned. It's like a snowball rolling down the hill, gathering more snow and growing bigger as it goes. The longer you leave your money invested, the more time it has to grow, making time your greatest ally in wealth creation. So whether you're earning a little or a lot, how you manage your money can have a significant impact on your financial health. It's about planning wisely, saving diligently, investing smartly, and leveraging the power of compound interest. Now that we've covered both earning and managing money, let's wrap things up. So, what have we learned about the art and science of earning money? In this journey, we've navigated the basics of earning money, from understanding the diverse income sources to the importance of adding value in whatever you do. Earning money isn't simply about trading time for money, but rather it's about trading value for money. We've also delved into optimizing the earning process. We've explored the various strategies to maximize income, including leveraging skills, investing in education, and spotting opportunities in the market. The key takeaway here is that optimization is an ongoing process, requiring regular review and adjustment. Then, we ventured into the realm of money management. We discussed the importance of budgeting, saving, and investing. We've emphasized that earning money is just one part of the equation. Effective money management ensures that the money you earn grows and serves you in the best possible way. But the world of finance is continuously evolving. It's a landscape marked by peaks of opportunity and valleys of risk, and it rewards those who adapt and learn. The rise of litigation finance, as an example, has opened up new avenues for investors, turning what was once a lawyer's hustle into a multi-billion-dollar asset class. The point is, there's always something new to learn, and a new opportunity to seize. This brings us to the crux of our discussion. The journey to financial security and independence isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about taking control of your financial future and continuously learning about money. It's about understanding that the money game isn't just about earning, but also about managing, optimizing, and growing your wealth. Remember, earning money is not just about hard work, it's about smart work. The more you learn, the more you earn. So keep learning and keep earning.